How to fix TikTok video under review problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your TikTok video is stuck under review for a long time, don't worry. I will show you exactly what you can do to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply select Settings and Privacy. Now here, once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, simply scroll all the way down and tap on Report a Problem. Now here, from the option, simply tap on Search, and from the drop-down menu, simply select Others. And after that, on the new page, simply tap No when asked if the issue was resolved, and then select Need more help. Now here, once you see the interface like this, in the text box, simply explain the issue clearly. You can write something like, "Hi, my video has been under review for more than 1 day. Please help me to resolve this issue," and then submit your request. And once you have submitted the report, you'll need to wait for the TikTok to manually review your video. And this can take a little time, but it's the only way to resolve the issue officially. And that's it. That's how you can report and potentially fix the video on the review issues on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.